about a letter from the alphabet. But first you have to guess. So let's go. Way up in the alphabet tree, there's a letter smiling at me. I shook the tree as hard as I could. Down came the letter. I wonder which letter it could be. It's coming down. Are you ready? It's the letter. Who said it? T. All right, now that we're talking about the T, we're going to sing about the letter T. The T says T. Come on, put your T together. Let's go. The T says T. The T says T. Every letter makes the sound. The T says T. 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 Let's go. T. 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 Let's go. T. 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 Oh, the T says T. So we're talking about the letter T. And we have the uppercase T and the lowercase t. Uppercase T and lowercase t. And the T says T. Come on, make that sound. All right. Now that we identify the letter T, we're going to find some words that begins with the T sound. What? Tie? That's the reason I put on my tie. I wanted someone to say it. The word tie begins with the T sound, the letter T. T is for tie. I can write it here for you to see. T-I-E. Tie. Yes. Any more words? Oh, you saw it on my chart. Teddy. And we all have a teddy bear. Teapot. Teeth. Teeth. Turtle. So T is for teeth. T is for turtle. T is for teapot. T is for teddy. T is for tomato. And we love to eat tomato, right? Oh, yes. Now we're going over to our chartboard, and we are going to talk about the letter T. And we have uppercase T and lowercase t. Now, boys and girls, you can trace it. Follow the dots, follow the dots, follow the dots. That is the letter T. Follow the dots, follow the dots. And for those who can write, go across at the top, go in the middle, straight down. For the lowercase t, one step down and cut it across in the middle. One step down, cut it across in the middle. That is the lowercase t. Across at the top, find the middle, go straight down. Uppercase T. And T is for turtle. Who have ever seen a turtle before? Yes, when I went to the zoo. I went to Oak Zoo and Jamaica Zoo, and I saw a lot of turtles there. Yes, they were in a pond. I love the turtles. T is for turtle. T is also, it begins the word teacup. Have a sip of tea, tea. From my teacup. Yes. And I have a cross that looks like a T here. The lowercase t. Wonderful. Now in your textbook you have so many things. Words that begins with the T sound here. Toes. Oh, wiggle your toes. Tongue. Tongue begins with T. You have tape. The tape measure, yes. And you have tie. And I'm wearing a tie today. Oh yes, I found a tie and I'm wearing a tie. And the word tie begins with the letter T. The T says T. The T says T. Every letter makes a sound. The T says T. Come on. Woogie, 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 T. Woogie, 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 T. T. Come on. T, 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 T. I can make the 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 T. At the top to the middle. At the top to the middle. Alright, T. Give yourself a big clap, boys and girls.